Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I'm curious about what would happen to an old DVD if I put it between the electrodes of my Jacob's ladder. Check this out. So all I'm using in this demonstration, of course, is my Jacob's ladder in an old DVD. Now, my Jacob's ladder is made from an old neon sign transformer, and it has two copper electrodes that are connected to it. So when I turn it on, you can see the plasma rise between the two electrodes. Now, a lot of people ask, well, what causes the plasma to rise? Well, at the base, that plasma creates a lot of hot air. And as that hot air convects upward, it drives the plasma toward the top of the electrodes. But what would happen if I put a DVD in between the electrodes near the top? Let's find out. So in order to hold the DVD in place, I'm using binder clips on each electrode to hold it. Let's find out what happens. In 3, 2, 1. Definitely looks like it's touching it. I love this demonstration because it shows kids the difference between an insulator and a conductor. So if the side of the DVD that's plastic is coming in contact with the electrodes, nothing happens because plastic is an insulator. But look what happens when I flip the DVD around so the side that's coated with the aluminum comes in contact with the electrodes. Check out what happens. So if you remember, a conductor increases the flow of electrons, and this surface is coated with aluminum, which is really good conductivity for electricity, and you can really see how this side is completely melted, but this side is coated with plastic, and plastic is an insulator. It slows the flow of electrons, and there's really no damage that was done over here. But on this side, man, look at that. Total carnage. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.